How to make an infinity cube. To make this you'll need some dice, and you'll also need tape. Get 8 dice and lay them out like this. Take the ones in the bottom right corner and tape them together. Just like that. Now take the other pair and tape them together. Repeat this with all 4 pairs. Just like this. You should have 4 pairs with pieces of tape connecting the tops. Now take these 2 and put them on their other sides. Tape these 2 together. Now that the middles are taped, flip them back over to their original sides. Now take them both and rotate them this way. Tape these 2 together. Now rotate and flip these 2 up. Tape these together. And now you're all done. Thank you for watching.
Sorry I didn't kiss you, but it's obvious I wanted to. Bubble gum down my throat and it's a curse, but my love couldn't get any worse, 'cause I swallowed the bubble gum 27